gentlemen, you have made the right choice by joining us live on the AM Club here on MX24. We're going to have an interesting conversation. If you don't know how to package the gift for that special person, and you know, this DIY, very necessary. Today, we're teaching you live on the show how to package a gift for that special person. And joining us to do that is Wilhelmina Sapple. She's CEO of Ezygrabgh Ghana.
Welcome.
Hi, Boo Boo.
So much.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm well, yourself?
I'm very well, thank you.
Are you blushing because of the things already, or?
Well,
Right.
Nice. Ezygrabgh.
yes, please.
I love the name, but tell us
you
about
so
the name,
much.
Ezygrabgh.
Okay, so I think getting a gift for a loved one should be something that will be at ease. You
Okay.
shouldn't struggle to
Didn't
get.
stress, eh?
You shouldn't stress at all. So that's why we came up with the name Ezygrabgh.
Ezygrabgh.
It's already ready set for you to
Exactly.
take.
Ready to go.
Awesome. Now, when we're approaching seasons like this, what is the feeling like for you? Like Valentine's, Christmas, because these are the things you do. What is it like for you?
It's one of the exciting months, to be precise, because everyone is in a haste to get something for their loved one.
Okay.
Everyone is expecting something, so it's one of
So
the
there's more
wonderful-
money, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yes, of course. And speaking
Yeah.
about money, how's patronage like, this season?
This-
Don't talk for people. Talk for Ezygrabgh.
Yourself.
Personally,
Okay.
for you, how is it like?
Well, this month has been amazing. Valentine, or let's say the month of February, is actually, it comes with a whole lot on its own. Yes, the patronage and all that is really amazing. Yeah.
Okay. Let me swift from Valentine a bit. I mean, it's not only Valentine that you would want to give somebody a gift. We have Mother's Day, Father's Day. Although this conversation will be for another day. Father's Day. Let me put it aside. But Christmas and even Easter. But I don't know about Easter. But let's say, apart from all these celebrations, when it comes to Ezygrabgh, how is patronage like compared to that of Valentine?
Well, patronage during occasions like this is really high.
Okay.
Yes, because
Like
everyone...
Valentine's?
Valentine. So let's say December, February, April, which is Mother's Day, Father's Day, which is May. Everyone wants to get something for their loved one.
Okay.
Their parents, their colleague, boss, and all that. So patronage is very, very good.
And comparing it to Valentine's, which one is higher?
Valentine is always high.
Oh.
Valentine
Always
is
high.
So
high.
I'm asking. So me that have not received Valentine's, who are those who have been buying the things?
It's cool. They used to say Nashin. Oh, Nashin.
I'm sure this year you are going to get one.
In
Trust
Jesus'
me.
name.
Amen.
Even if she doesn't get one, we'll just give her one of the balloons.
Exactly.
And then that's all. We'll wrap it up with that.
I'm loved.
Let's talk about pricing. When it comes to seasons like this, a lot of people start complaining even that, hey, around this time, even a teddy bear that used to be like, let's say, 500 cedis is now like 1,000 cedis. Is it the same for Ezygrabgh?
Well, Ezygrabgh GH, our main focus is to serve our clients with budget-friendly pockets.
Okay.
So we have as low as 200 cedis gifts
Okay.
for everyone, so that everyone will be able to afford it.
Okay.
Yes.
But what, from your experience, what affects the prices at this time? Is it greed or naturally the things just go up? So
The things, last year, due to the economic price increments and all of that, so it's actually affecting our packages as well, because there's the daily price increments in the market. So when it happens like that, it affects us. But I think some vendors happen to overprice their packages. But with Ezygrabgh GH, we make sure, even if it's 1 CD profit, we are okay with that.
Okay.
The fact that we are able to satisfy our clients and make them happy, we are good to go. So with budget-friendly packages, the only place you can think of is Ezygrabgh.
Ezygrabgh.
GH.
Okay. So what do you have for us today? So we're
Okay,
going to go into what you're going to be doing for us. So
The setup looks amazing already.
Thank you.
I'm already in love with this teddy bear here.
Ow.
Are you a teddy bear fan?
Yes, I am. I used to have a big one.
Well, there are some
I
people who
spilled
don't love
coffee on
teddy
it.
bears. There are some people who love chocolates rather. So that even brings us to this conversation.
I like both.
How do you know what a client really wants? And sometimes how are you able to deal with clients? Because a client will come to you and be like, well, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. Probably the person might not even know what the person whom he or she is going to give the gift to would like. You get it? So how do you come into conversations with clients like that?
And then what do you do for them?
Okay, so to begin with, when a client approaches us to do a package for them, first off, we look at the age, and then the profession of the person. Exactly, and then sometimes the taste and preferences. You definitely will have a fair idea what the person would want, and sometimes we look at your budget too. Then we are able to suggest gifts for you. We send you samples, and then we attach the prices. Then you go through. Sometimes there are people who randomly don't know what to gift someone, so they'll be like, just do something nice that you think the person will love. And that's how we go about it.
Okay.
Okay, so supposing I'm supposed to give Mimi, let's say, a Valentine present, and the top of the head, I have 500 Ghana cedis. What would we looking at?
So looking at Mimi, the first thing on my list would be a teddy bear.
Okay.
And I'll proceed.
Is it because she just mentioned teddy
Not
bear?
at all. But you know, most women, we love things like this.
Okay.
Most people. And it's something that even if you don't love it, you can keep it within your work area, your home or something. And then we could go in for customized gifts like bracelets, necklace, vacuum flags.
You're the G.
Okay.
You know,
With
things
her name?
like that.
Like
with her
Mimi?
name. Something memorable, something that is always there, that anytime she picks this gift, she knows that, oh, Kweku got me this, Amma got me this, something memorable.
What you guys do with the teddy bear, though? Apart from giving them nonsense names. Yes, like
my sugar boom.
Yeah, like
Bubble juice, bitter juice.
I have
My
somebody who
sister had
has
one
it.
that she used to call bitter juice.
What?
Wow.
Bitter juice.
Bitter juice.
Bitter
Juice.
Yeah. I know where she got that from. Apparently, it's a.
Obi so say me brony.
Oh,
Bye.
so put together something for us.
Okay, so this Valentine's Day or this month of February, the month of love, we are not only focusing on our partners.
Okay.
You can give to your mother, your father, your boss, somebody you appreciate, somebody you are grateful for having them in your life.
Okay.
So to begin with, we will fix something small for a mother,
Okay.
a mom or something. Yeah.
When you are done, that one will go to my mom.
Yes. So to begin with, we need a gift box.
Okay.
Yes. So and it's customized. Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you customize the boxes
Yes,
yourself?
we
just
do
about
this.
asking
Wow.
We customize it
Well, you're in the
ourselves.
spirit.
Yeah.
Everything is Ghana made. We do everything here in Ghana.
Okay.
And then we'll fill in with a little shredded paper
Okay.
to just beautify.
Okay. Nice.
The shredded paper is.
But the shredded paper is for what? So that
Just
the
to-
things sitting properly.
Exactly. And to beautify the box and give
Okay.
it volume.
Okay.
Yes, please.
so that you can put few things in it.
Exactly. So after filling the box with her shredded paper, I have here some cloth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's for mommy.
Because this is for mommy, I have some
Definitely.
high target cloth here, 6 yards.
All right.
So I'll put in
You
here.
will love that.
And of course, some I love you towel, 3-in-1 towel.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, then we'll give it. And not forgetting, since we're in the month of love, I have to give mommy some chocolates.
Yeah.
And chocolate,
Yes.
yeah.
So we have
Okay.
some chocolates here. Then we'll add
Speaking
some.
about chocolates, are we dealing with locally based or foreign acquired?
These are foreign chocolates,
Okay.
but we have King's Bite as well,
Okay.
which is our Ghana
All right.
made
cool.
chocolate.
I mean, why do you want to chew the
I want to
chocolates now?
show them.
You want to chew the chocolate. She wants to chew your chocolate too.
to
You
show
want
them.
to show which one?
So you see, usually when you don't know what chocolates look like, so I want to show you how it looks
Mimi.
like.
Mimi, you pay for
I want
the
to show them
chocolate
what's
too.
inside.
Sure, please go ahead.
You want to show them what the chocolate looks like.
So-
Yeah. So that
Yeah.
when they buy it, they know.
They do, eh? Okay, good.
So
So you're putting the chocolate.
So we are putting in our chocolate.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have some handbag.
Okay.
Ladies
Oh, very
bag
necessary.
We could add for mommy.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good. Nice.
And then we add free cards too.
Okay.
so you can write
Card.
something on it.
You can write
But these
something.
days, people are like, well, the card doesn't really matter.
Yeah, some people, want to really express love. So they end up giving you a message to write. Some people to be like, just write something nice. You know who I'm already gifting, so write something nice. So we end up writing something on their behalf. So we add
Okay, that
cards.
makes sense.
And then
They
we'll
do
be
like that,
adding we were adding a perfume as well.
Oh, very necessary.
Perfume.
Okay.
Very
So
necessary.
this beautiful box can be gifted to a mom, your auntie, your boss.
Okay.
So at the end of the
And
day,
how much
we have
would all
something
this
like
cost?
this. So this package is going for 1,100 cedis.
1,100 cedis.
Yes, please.
Oh, that's fair.
So
That
we
makes
have
sense.
6 yards cloth. We have 3-in-1 towel. We have a bag. We have perfume pen. That's 4-in-1.
Okay.
We have chocolate, 4 pieces, and we
Okay.
have a gift card.
Okay.
All for 1,100 cedis.
Oh, that's
Wow.
affordable.
Yes.
That makes
So
sense.
quickly, let's fix something also for a male boss, a dad.
Dad.
Yes. A brother.
Please.
Anybody you appreciate.
For heaven's sake, please don't put boxes. And for heaven's sake, we are tired. In fact, hashtag no boxes this Valentine's Day. Wow. But well, boxes is, I mean,
You
well,
know.
let's see what Ezygrabgh has for us.
So with the
Boxes
men,
they are buying for you.
The
so
kind.
this package will go in with a shirt, a long sleeve shirt.
Okay.
So our shirts.
Okay.
And then we have this nice wine holder and its accessories.
Whoa.
Ideal gifts for your dad. And this set is 250 cedis.
250
It
cedis.
comes with the accessories and then the wine as well.
Whoa.
Yes,
This is
yes.
beautiful.
You're really affordable.
This is
Very.
beautiful. No, this is really,
box is
really
really
beautiful. This is beautiful.
Then we will gift some watch as well.
Okay, what kind of watch are we talking about?
And this brand is Rolex.
Rolex.
Oh, yes.
And so the Rolex is how much too?
And this set is 250, please.
250.
So you know the watches we have them in ranks.
Yeah.
So depending on how the brand you want and
Yeah.
then how you want
Yeah.
it. So we have as low as 120 watch, 150, 250, 350, depending on the brand you want
Okay.
to. So we add some watch.
That's good.
You can partner with what do you call them?
You have chocolate in your mouth, and teacher say, right now, dear, mouthful.
You can partner with Caveman. some of them
Caveman,
watches.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So once in a while, there are some clients who are very particular with what you should add to their package or
Okay.
request that you
Then you
get
do.
it for them. Yes.
Okay.
And we are adding some free card too.
Okay.
Have to write something
Yes.
for daddy.
Yes. And then here we'll go in with our chocolates.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Okay. This is getting interesting,
So
ladies and
that's all
gentlemen.
for the men.
Okay.
So something like this can be given to your pastor, your dad,
Not pastor.
your boss.
Not pasta.
But why not? Why not pasta?
Why no?
Oh,
why
we
no-
can.
no
You know
pasta?
the wine we have the alcoholic and non-alcoholic.
non-alcoholic,
So
okay.
depending on what the person will
Okay.
want.
All right.
Yes. So
But wait,
something like this.
quickly on the wine, is there a customized something? There?
Yeah. So this wine holder can be customized with
Okay.
a person's name or
Name and
anything.
everything.
We have
But for
plain
now,
ones.
What is written here?
This one we have superior special wine.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's
we
the name
have-
of the wine?
Yes, that's
Okay.
the name of the
All right.
wine. So we have plain ones that you can customize as well.
Okay.
Per your given inscription.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, please. So this cool package is also going for 1,200 cedis. So we have as
That
low
of
as
mom was 1,100. This one
Yes,
is 1,002.
1,000.
You are the ones who say that women are expensive. You're the one who says, what do we
Oh,
have here?
man.
Oh, the vacuum.
there's
This is the vacuum
customized
flask.
vacuum
Okay,
flask.
beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful. Now let's go to girlfriend. I'm not saying wife. Let's go
Girl-
to girlfriend first because those
Say
who are
the
watching
married
us,
man.
a lot of them are in the girlfriend, boyfriend
Exactly.
level, like Mimi.
Amen.
Yeah.
So with the girlfriend package, we have as low as 200 cedis.
Okay.
We have packages between 200 to 2,000 cedis.
200 to 2,000.
Yes. So we
Okay.
have 200 cedis, 300, 400.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have a flyer with the content on it, depending
Okay.
on what you want.
Okay.
Then you select, then we proceed from
Okay.
there.
All right.
So I have an example of 500 cedis package here.
Okay.
The box is customized, Happy Valentine's.
Okay.
And this is for a client.
Okay.
So there's a handbag, ladies' cute purse handbag
Okay.
sort of.
Okay.
And then we have our customized vacuum flask.
Okay. Good.
So this is how it also looks like.
Okay.
Oh, this cute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have our customized chocolates.
Okay.
We have
All
a
right.
customized chocolate in
That's beautiful.
there.
Okay, so this is someone's.
This is for someone.
Yes,
someone.
Okay.
this is somebody's order, but I'm just bringing it to show.
So we are order already.
Oh yeah, we
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
People
Bita.
are already
started,
into the
and
love
we've
season.
already started dispatching most of our packages just to save the stress. You know, next week is Valentine's Day, which is
Yeah.
Wednesday. There's going to be so much pressure. So we are just doing the orders.
Please
down.
do one with this one for me.
I've got you.
Yeah, Bita will pay.
And then we have a customized card in
Yeah.
there too. So all this set is going for a cool 500 Ghana cedis.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes,
cool.
please.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's very, very cool. Very, very, very cool. Very cool.
Thank
very
you.
cool. I mean, this is amazing. And I
Boyfriend,
think
let's say
boyfriend is
Boyfriend.
It's the same as that.
what?
eh?
It's the same as
Boyfriend
that.
can be
You are
this.
lying. You are lying because
Boyfriend.
boyfriend they'll give you boxes.
No,
they'll
no,
give
no.
you singlets, and if you don't take care, that's all. Boxes and singlet
boyfriend.
and no. Wow.
Yes,
Ladies and
please.
gentlemen, well,
Gentlemen,
in
gentlemen,
case
gentlemen.
you just tuned in, this is MX24. This is AM Club, and this is a lifestyle. Yes, lifestyle,
Lifestyle
right?
daily.
Lifestyle.
So right now, what you have done to Jay is that you've given him an idea of how much he's going to damage this month. And I bought for the two. Sorry, people, I'm sorry.
It's in a bit with yeah, lifestyle. That's it. Yeah, because where is your lifestyle? So that's it.
Thank you so much for joining
Thank
in,
you.
Wilhelmina. So how can we get you? Where do we find you?
Okay, so we are
After stealing all your
located-
chocolates, please let me give you.
I have more for you. So we are located at Medina
Okay.
and Agbogba. You can reach us on 055-40-82511 on all social media handles. Easy at Ezygrabgh. Yeah.
Let's-
The Easy is spelled EZY. GRABA and then Ghana GH.
Okay, let's get into some challenges that you're facing. I mean, every entrepreneur faces something
sort
one
of,
way or the other. What's that main challenge that you faced since you started this business?
The main challenge I would say, because as an online business, you know now these scammers sort of want to take over.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult when dealing with first-time buyers. They are so skeptical. How sure am I if we are going to deliver? Are you a scam? Because nobody is willing to come to your shop.
Yeah.
Most of them just want you to deliver.
Yeah.
And it's an online base. So I'll say one challenge would have to do with the fact that people don't see you to be genuine no matter what you do. So sometimes I'm often happy when I'm on shows like this, like going on TV shows, so that at least they know that, oh, we know MS24, they are a genuine TV station. Since I'm seen here on the show, that means she's genuine too. So I'm happy anytime you guys invite me on your show. Honestly.
Good to have you too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good. And moving forward too as well, have you ever been in this compromising situation where you've delivered something and then probably it's shifted off and a client has come, have you see the way she took a deep breath before that? Let's get practical a little bit.
Yes.
And how were you able to move from this challenge? Because we deal with a lot of stubborn clients,
Exactly.
Yeah. Share an experience
No
with us.
matter how well you package some of these things, or no matter how you want to satisfy your clients, definitely once in a while you come across one of those people who are so difficult to deal with. So I think recently one happened where I delivered a cake to a client, and then someone received on her behalf, and the person, we are not supposed to keep your cake in a freezer. And then the person happened to keep the cake in a freezer that had chicken, meat, and those protein around it. So those smell, that scent affected the cake. Later, the clients started attacking me that I was at fault, blah, blah, blah. And sometimes I say, it's been so difficult building this brand. Yes, it's almost 4 years now.
Yeah.
So that one client, whatever they say might affect your brand.
Yeah.
So I really like to make it up to clients.
Yeah.
If you tell me I'm not satisfied with your service, if anything goes wrong, no matter what, even if it takes a month, a week, I try to make it up to you. Yes. So such a situation, she was really angry.
Yeah.
Especially if the cake is on a deadline,
Exactly. I just
Because I
had
had
to
the same
redo.
situation last Sunday.
Okay.
I just had to redo the package for her. Somebody also ordered a food basket. You know, our foods are freshly made.
Yeah.
And then when the package got there, she kept the package, not knowing she was going to use it the next day, and it wasn't communicated. She
Okay.
kept the food just wrapped like that. She didn't even unbox it, nothing. The next day she called, Madam, your food has gone bad. Oh.
Really?
Such a person, though she's at fault, you have to come through, you have
Yeah.
to make it up.
Yeah.
Else they will sit somewhere and spoil your brand.
Yeah.
So these are some of the things that occur daily.
Okay.
And then you just have to learn how to deal with clients. You know that you won't get every client to be perfect. Not all of them will be cool and all that. But you just have to cope.
Be nice.
Let's skip to the good part now. Any favorite moments, with a client, or favorite moments, probably you even, packaging, or maybe a client came to you and said, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. But whilst you were even enjoying doing so.
So one thing is, doing these gift packages is something I do with so much love. If you call me right now, Mina, fix this for me, I am very excited. The fact that you are going out of your way to do something for someone, things are very hard lately. So it's very fun, or it's very interesting when someone is going out of their way to take out money and order something for someone.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited when it comes to that. Before the package, before you even make payments, I'm happy that I'm coming to do this.
Yeah.
And every time we try to do something new. So the fact that you are bringing the order, I'm already thinking of what to fix for you. So I'm always excited when customers place an order. Yeah, like
Now
that.
and it's money coming in, so it's more
Exactly.
revenue.
Aside the money to
Yeah.
the love and
Okay.
the new thing I want to create.
Okay.
Especially if there's no referral,
Yeah.
I want to create something new. So I'm so excited when you're
Okay.
bringing the order already.
Okay.
So send in some orders to
Ezygrabgh.
Ezygrabgh on social media. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And also, delivery process. Let's get into that, because that's part of your business as well.
Yes.
Yes. Have we had, instances where it gets there, then probably the food is maybe some jollof rice and some
They're
chicken.
missing
The chicken is two. Probably the chicken, they carry one for inside. How is transportation-wise with Ezygrabgh on occasions like this?
It's hard working with people. But one thing I'm always grateful is God has really blessed me with good drivers and bikers. Honestly, they are very, very good.
Dedicated?
Very, very dedicated. If you call them now, they are on their way, no matter the time.
I see.
They're always on their way to deliver. So the only problem we sometimes have is the delivery prices.
Okay.
Sometimes a client is not willing to pay this amount.
Okay.
And as for me, I am most of the times I am always willing to add up, top up for you.
Okay.
If you don't have that much amount to pay for delivery, I'm always ready and willing to top
Do you
up.
have a free delivery consensus?
We don't do free
Okay.
delivery, but rather we have discounted prices.
okay.
Okay.
So let's say a place like Kaswa, if I should use normal Uber will be around 100 or 120 cedis.
Might be more.
But if I'm using my own driver, I'll charge the client at least 80 or 60. At the end of the day, I'm topping up. Or I might not even top up because the driver is actually delivering bulk orders. So the price will be lesser. Yes.
Now let's see how social media has helped your business. How has it influenced it, both positively and negatively? How has social media influenced your business?
Social media has really influenced Ezygrabgh because I remember when I started, somebody recommending you, like just a friend telling a friend to tell a friend. That process takes a time for you to get an order.
Yeah.
But since I came on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, it has been very, very massive.
But you have a lot of competitors on social media as well. Does that
Exactly.
affect it in any way?
I don't think it affected in any way. I'm literally focused on my growth and things I could do to, move ahead every day. And these so-called competitors are people I learn from.
Okay.
People,
Good. I was gonna ask you.
yes, I learn from them, and I'm often happy when I come across a vendor's package. I was like, oh, okay, this is nice. I could do this, or I could recreate. So assuming that vendor was in there, I'm not sure I will even get the idea at the first place. So all these so-called competitors are needed along the line. So I don't see any competition. I think we are all working within our space, and it's good for everyone.
Okay.
Awesome. It's interesting. So moving for so this year, you said you've already. Me, I'm eating my chocolate.
Already
So you already
we
started.
started January 28th. Yes. So as soon as you pay, we start. If your package includes any customized items, we start. We take pictures and videos. We forward it to you. You go through. If everything is intact, then we wrap the box, just like this package. So that's what we do, so that there won't be so much pressure next week.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Because last year we encountered that. So this year, learning from last year, this year, this is what we've tried to do to make our delivery and everything stress-free.
Okay.
But that makes it earlier than Valentine. If my gift comes on the 10th of
No, you see, some of the packages, you see, we recently started offering a nationwide delivery.
Yeah,
Most of them
okay.
are going outside Ghana. And you know, it will take a while, like sometimes 5 to 7 days.
Okay.
So those ones would have to go early.
Oh,
And
Ezygrabgh
those-
is international now.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah, so those going out of our car, so delivery is between 8 to 10.
Okay.
So that it could also go
there
there
on
on
time. Now, I want to really get into this. You talked about this entrepreneurial challenges, so I want us to dive into that a little bit. Now, as I mean, people are complaining already in Ghana. Businesses are complaining. Some are actually even folding up. I remember I had this friend who does packages for December, like the hampers.
The hampers.
This year she didn't do it. I asked her. She's like, Mimi, a barrel of items that will be brought to me from the US, it's costing me more to clear than I bought it. So for you, and this has got to do with, because you do Christmas, you do other birthdays and stuff like that. How has it been? What does it look like economically for you? Do you feel like?
Well, though you can bear with me, the economy is really hard for everyone.
In Jesus' name, it's not hard for me.
Things are hard.
Yeah.
The market prices keep rising daily. But at the end of the day, everyone will get something.
Yes.
Yes, at the end of the day, everyone will get something.
Okay.
And I believe the fact that you are doing these packages with love.
Yeah.
You know, once in a while, there are these returning clients who tip you. They give you something. Yeah, so all these things are actually positive. Though the things are difficult, prices keep increasing, no matter how you package it, you surely get some profit.
Okay.
And diving from that, I think, let's say with Ezygrabgh, we offer 13 services and all.
Okay.
So if service A is not bringing me much profit,
Okay.
service B should bring me more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we try to compile all these and do, because if a client walks to you and then maybe you offer balloon services, you don't do cake, but the clients intend buying cake with balloon, the clients might end up not buying at all.
Okay.
Because you need everything done at the same. Okay, so that's what's special about Ezygrabgh.
Yes.
You get there, you get everything you need, from the love cards to
Yeah.
the balloons to the
Yeah.
cake.
Saxophone
You
surprises.
didn't bring anything on,
Oh, you do
on,
saxo-
Yes.
on money bouquet.
No.
Do you do that?
We do money bouquets,
Okay.
money gifts. We have the box type,
Okay.
the bouquet type.
Okay.
Yes, we do saxophone surprises.
Yeah.
We are into food services as well. Food baskets, food boxes, food for events. We do all of that. Finger foods.
Yeah.
Yes, we do all of
Yeah.
that too.
Okay,
Okay.
so there has been communication out that we shouldn't fold money.
Yes, so the
So
Bank
how-
of Ghana restricts.
just say
Yes,
yeah,
restricted. So what are you doing? If
Well,
if
Has it
my
affected your
if
business?
my potential boyfriend wants to come in,
Has it affected your
It
business?
has. You know, this communique came out last year.
Yeah.
I think middle last year after
Yeah.
Val's Day. It's been hard because when the clients come, sometimes that is what is bringing most of the profits.
Okay.
And then now we have to stop. So we have to find a new way of going about it. So we started doing the bundle type.
Okay.
So when we get the fresh notes in bundle, we like putting the shredded paper in a box like
Yeah.
this. We just arrange the money
Yeah.
without folding
Without
it.
folding it.
And it's been good.
again, I want to side with it. It was a beautiful thing, but when they send you that bouquet, it will take you 5 years
Before you fold it back.
before you take the sellotapes off.
Off.
And everything.
Yeah, it's like work.
It's hard.
It's work. It's work in
It's
progress.
I understand.
What's his name? It's not Philip Addison. Something Addison. Bank of Ghana governor. Thank you so much. Thank
But
you.
we found new
Okay.
ways of going
Yes,
about
okay,
it. So we
okay.
are still doing money gifts, but we won't go against what they are saying.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
Okay, of course.
Absolutely.
Ezygrabgh. So now,
I'm
with
still eating
all
that
the
chocolate.
festivities, you're going to pay for it. With all the festivities from Mother's Day, Father's Day, you name it, Valentine's Day, which one brings you much more money?
Valentine's
Ah,
Day.
there we go.
Okay, and secondly, Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. And then after Mother's Day, which one would you rank?
Father's Day.
You are lying.
And then
Father's Day
after
doesn't
Father's
bring you
Day,
money. You
what
know.
of Christmas?
Christmas.
What of Christmas?
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah. Christmas used to be one of the top, but
now it's dying down a little.
Yes, it's down.
Okay.
So
Why do you think that is?
honestly, the economy.
Money no
the
data.
economy.
Money no data.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, so 2024
2024.
Valentine's
And
Day projections.
Just before we wrap it up, you know, as far as the economy is concerned, somebody might have just a little money for something little. But how can we package this little something for it to look extravagant to the person and feel for the person to feel like, oh, it's little, but at least I appreciate
It's
it.
nice.
You know, with gift creating. How can we do that?
Yes, so with our 200 CD package.
Okay.
And our teddy bear, we even have smaller sizes, 55 CDs.
Wait,
Okay.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
So we
you.
can pick something beautiful
But this
for
one can
you.
be on your table.
But we have similar cute boxes like this that
Okay.
we package our 150 or 200 CD
Oh,
packages
nice.
in it.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
Okay.
So no matter your budget, we will work with it. So we are known as a budget-friendly gift
Yeah.
plug. Yes,
Okay.
we are really, really budget-friendly. Any budget of yours, we can work with it for. We can fix something very beautiful, for
beautiful.
you.
Well, we got to say special thanks to you as well.
Thank you
Thank you
too.
so much because she helped us. We were able to surprise Lali and Lola.
Oh,
Yeah,
is it?
kind courtesy, easy. So a very special
you.
thank you on
Thank
behalf
you.
of MX24.
Thank
We want to say
you
thank
so
you for
much.
making that possible. And we know that, you know, for Mimi is June 8th, mine is June 22nd.
Oh, really?
July 22nd,
July,
please.
okay.
I can't be in June. July 22nd, please.
Yeah.
So keep it in mind. Then surprise us. One last thing. Is there a package for side chicks?
Side chicks, why not? They are.
Now, what you will give them?
The ladies package.
The ladies package.
Yes.
The one where you go give to the wife.
No,
the
you
ladies
can't
give
give
it
main
to
girl.
the side
You
chick.
see,
No.
we have them in
No,
different
how?
prices.
No.
So maybe if main girlfriend is going for the 2,000 CD package, side chick you can do like 500, 400 gifts for
Let
her.
me show. And put the less
500.
things.
Yeah, more 100. 100 car.
And put the
100.
bomb, boom. And do if you are not blasting.
Oh my goodness. So how can we contact you
Yeah.
and your social media handles since it's online?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
But I mean, you can put your number out too as well. There are some people online. Yes.
Yes, please. So you can reach us on 055 4082511. 055 4082511. On all social media handles, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Ezygrabgh.
Ezygrabgh. How is your Ezygrabgh spelled?
Ezygrab and then GH.
Easy grab.
Ezygrabgh Wilhelmina.
Yes.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
first of all
too.
for the chocolate. And found some.
That's how we're going to
You're
fight over the
welcome.
chocolate
And
bar.
Thank you
Good.
so much.
No, you
don't like-
relax. I'm not a chocolate fan though, but this is nice.
It's nice. What do you mean? Ezygrabgh gave me the chocolate. Thank you. Anyway, thank you so much, Ezygrabgh,
Thank
for
you
coming
too
for
for
joining us here
having
on the
me.
AM Club for the education, and we wish you all the very best this year. As the more money is coming, you're preparing for my birthday. It's 8th June.
We surely will.
No,
If you want-
let's finish with Valentine's Day first. Valentine's Day is
coming
just
to-
next week. So please, everyone watching us, please don't go anywhere. Come to Ezygrabgh.
Ezygrabgh.
Simple and titia.
It's not even that hard.
In fact, it's a no-brainer. Just come to Ezygrabgh. They have everything possible for you to surprise that special person. All right.
In fact, it's as easy as tell them who you're giving it to, and they will sort you out.
That's all.
Period.
You know,
So
yeah.
get into their DM, slide into their DM, pick
That's
that
all.
number, and then get in touch with them and thank us later.
Thank you very much, Wilhelmina, for
Thank
coming
you
through.
so much
And
for
I wish you the
having me.
best of luck on this adventure and this, entrepreneurship.
Yes.
It looks great.
It looks
Mimi,
great.
you
Yes.
should enter into it too as well.
You know, I was doing hampers during the Christmas period. They didn't.
I see.
You must see me.
All right, okay. So that does it up for Lifestyle Daily for today.
Absolutely.
Time for us to get into the plug.
The plug.
And we're still on the love season, and I know poetry complements the love season.
Absolutely.
So we have somebody special for you right after this commercial break.